Good evening, everyone. 40 and 60% subsidy is being given on installing solar system for fish farming. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the Fisheries Department is providing financial assistance in the form of grants to the people of scheduled caste under the welfare of scheduled caste family under Fisheries Sector Special Component Scheme. Munish Sharma said that a person belonging to scheduled caste is given a subsidy of rupee 50,000 per hectare and 50% of actual lease amount on the first year lease amount for taking panchayat pond on lease for fish farming. At the same time, 40% of the lease amount for the second and subsequent years, maximum rupee 40,000 per hectare, will be given as subsidy to the contracts for fishing the notified ponds. 50% of the expected width and maximum of 36,000 beneficiaries of purchase of worth rupees 60,000 on court. Gas stove utensils at extra up to maximum limit of rupee 5 lakh, 60% of a total cost of rupee 1.50 lakh on fertilizer and feed a maximum of rupee 19,000 per hectare, which are as less 60% a maximum of rupee 24,000 beneficiary on the purchase of net worth 40,000 for fish farming, whichever is less will be given as a subsidy. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that under the intensive, the department is giving 40 to 60% subsidy on the pound improvement purchase of fertilizers, feed court and nets, as well as installing solar system for fish farming at the level. The fisheries department is providing subsidy to fishermen on various fisheries activities under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. Under this scheme, maximum expenditure of rupee 11 lakh on construction of new pond and fertilizer for freshwater fish farming and rupee 40 lakh on instruction of new pond and fertilizer saltwater fish farming is being given 40% subsidy general category and 60% for scheduled caste and women. Munish Sharma informed that other activities of Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana like establishment of cold storage, field mill, refrigerator, vehicle, motorcycle and ice box, biocycle and ice box, biofloc and RAS unit at extra have also been provided with subsidy at 40% for general category and 60% for scheduled caste and women. Training in fish farming is provided by the department so that fish farmers can do fish farming properly. As per the state scheme, the minimum age of the beneficiary must be 18% Haryana state employed and trained in fish farming from a government institution. Applications for getting benefit in any item can be through Saral portal. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the Fisheries Department is organizing awareness campus from time to time at the district level in which maximum scheme of the fisheries department will be also promoted. For more information about any scheme related to fisheries and to submit your application, you can contact the district fisheries officer's office. Complaints received in Samadhan camp should be resolved promptly. Jitendra Kumar, all the department heads should be present in Samadhan camps themselves, and else departmental action will be taken. City Magistrate for Public Convenience Samadhan camps is organized every Monday and Thursday in mini secretariat premises. City Magistrate Jitendra Kumar said that to resolve the problems related to the common man, Samadhan camp is organized in the mini secretariat premises every Monday and Thursday, which should be done within the reputed time on priority basis. In the next 10 days, ensure that all the problem received by the departmental officers through Samadhan camp or resolved. Jitendra Kumar was reviewing the complaints received during the Samadhan camp in the mini secretariat today. On this occasion, he said that as per the instructions of Deputy Commissioner Sharma, all the department heads will ensure their presence by being present in the Samadhan camp themselves, and else a complaint will be lodged against them with headquarters. He said that Panchayat Department, Electricity Department, Revenue Department, Irrigation Department, and other departments should take promote action on complaints related to removal of illegal occupation, encroachment, demolition, sanitation system, construction of canals, various certificates, pension scheme, family identity card, etc. Officers themselves will monitor the ongoing action on these complaints. Complaints received in Samadhan camp should be resolved quickly, and their report should be sent regularly to Nagar office. He said that Samadhan camps are becoming a powerful medium for resolving complaints of the common people. These complaints should be redressed on priority basis. Gram Darshan portal is a comprehensive, participatory, transparent, and accountable initiative of the government. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, the portal is the convenient and the simple medium for villagers to give their demands, complaints, and suggestions. Deputy Commissioner residents of rural areas will now be able to give demands, complaints, and suggestions related to development works to the government directly through on medium. Haryana government has launched an online portal gramdarshan.haryana.gov.in. Gram Darshan, click here to give demands, suggestions, complaints in the interest of your village. Gram Darshan Haryana.gov.in. Information Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that Gram Darshan portal is a comprehensive, participatory, transparent, and accountable initiative of the government. Its objective is the establish a relationship between elected representatives, government, and rural residents. This portal is a convenient and simple medium for villagers to give their demands, complaints, and suggestions. Manish Sharma said that the blueprint of future development plans will be prepared on the basis of suggestions given by the villagers on this portal. He has instructed the official of the old departments to set priorities for the work related to their department. He said that the priority of the government is to resolve the complaints of the people. Only complaints of one's own village can be registered on the Gram Darshan portal. Any person will be able to register a complaint only regarding the privilege of his permanent residence, which is registered in the family identity card. The suggestions and demands given by the villagers will be directly visible to the Sarpanch Panchayat Committee member, District Council member, MLA, and MP. All the public representatives will see the suggestions of their jurisdiction on the dashboard, which the concerned public representative will be able to take forward with the recommendation. Information about the status of suggestion complaint will be available through SMS along with registering the suggestion complaint on the portal. An ID will be generated, which will be given to the concerned applicant through SMS. Along with this, the applicant will keep getting update information about the action taken on the suggestion complaint from time to time through SMS. Under Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Meghavi Chhatra revised scheme documents can be submitted till July 19. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the last date for applying online on Saral portal for the year 2024-25 under Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Meghavi Chhatra revised scheme was till February 28, 2025, but those beneficiaries who have not yet submitted their documents and due to some reason there is some deficiency, all can submit documents to the district welfare officers by June. Officers by June 19 so that can get a benefit of Yojana on time. District Welfare Officer Narinder Huda informed that a total of 3,122 application forms were received in Dadri office, out of which initiative amount of 2 crore 28 lakh 52,000 given to applicants. Application forms of 234 applicants have been cancelled because they did not apply as per the instructions of the scheme, and 34 applicants have not yet completed their documents. The office has repeatedly written through telephone and to get the documents completed, but do not completing them yet. They are still pending. Such applicants should submit their documents to the office by June 19. Otherwise, cancellation of applications form will be considered. So thank you very much, friends, for watching PPT News. And friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. So then take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Take care.